What animal was here?
Deer.
And how can you tell?
They pooped deer tracks.
Yep.
And this is their favorite spot near the blackberries.
That's mostly for when there's blackberries to eat.
Yeah.
All right, can you hold the camera?
Nom, nom, nom.
Hold the camera. I've got to get the saw. Fix it.
Fixing
Bring
the
the camera
saw.
over here.
Looky. I'm coin a jet head.
My head.
No, literally, coiner, like in a square.
Okay.
He's fixing his saw.
They've got a bucket truck out by the road now. Part 2 of the big power outage video. We're up in Northern California and served by PG&E exclusively. We don't have any off-grid backup currently. And it took about 10 days for the power to come back. They brought in crews from Southern California, staged them just up the road, but it took quite a while until they were able to get to us. Part of that was because the roads weren't really clear. There were a whole bunch of downed trees. The snow was so heavy that the trees weren't falling over entirely, but they were breaking halfway up and tipping over. So there was still a trunk left, and then the part with all the branches on it. I'm still working on my yard and trying to get the excess branches chipped up, as well as the trunks in a state where I could potentially run them through the bandsaw and make a little bit of lumber for the kids' treehouse. But it's slow going. This wood is green and it's heavy, and it's not really near the road right now.